Remember that colorful triangle from grade school, the one with sections for carbs, proteins, and fats? Turns out it wasn't just another poster on the wall, it was a simple map to eating well, a blueprint for fueling our bodies. Just like a car needs the right mix of gas, oil, and air, our bodies need the right balance of nutrients to run smoothly. So what happens when we ignore the map? Imagine filling your gas tank with sugar. Sure, you might get a quick burst of energy, but you'll soon be sputtering to a stop. The same goes for our bodies. Too much of one nutrient, not enough of another, and we're headed for trouble. That's where balance comes in. It's about understanding that each nutrient plays a crucial role, and too much or too little of anyone can throw everything off. Think of it like a three-legged stool. Each leg is essential for stability, and if one is weak, the whole thing collapses. Let's start with carbs, often demonized but actually crucial for energy. Think of them as the body's primary fuel source, like gasoline for your car. They break down into glucose, providing the energy our cells need to function. But not all carbs are created equal. We've got simple carbs found in processed foods and sugary drinks which are like quick-burning fuel, giving a rapid burst of energy followed by a crash. Then there are complex carbs found in whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, which are like slow-burning fuel, providing sustained energy for longer periods. The key is to choose your carbs wisely. Opt for the slow-burning kind, the complex carbs that provide sustained energy and keep you feeling full and satisfied. Think brown rice instead of white, whole wheat bread instead of white, and plenty of fruits and vegetables throughout the day. Next up, proteins. If carbs are the fuel, proteins are the building blocks. They're essential for building and repairing tissues, making enzymes and hormones, and keeping our immune system strong. Think of them as the bricks and mortar of our bodies, constantly being broken down and rebuilt. We get our protein from various sources, including meat, poultry, fish, beans, lentils, nuts, and seeds. Each source offers a unique blend of amino acids, the building blocks of protein. Our bodies need a variety of amino acids to function correctly, so it's important to include a mix of protein sources in our diet. Remember, it's not just about how much protein you eat, but also the quality. Aim for lean protein sources and a variety of plant-based options to ensure you're getting all the essential amino acids your body needs. Section 4: Fats not the enemy. Now let's talk about fats, often misunderstood and unfairly labeled as the enemy. The truth is, fats are essential for our bodies to function properly. They provide energy, help absorb certain vitamins, insulate our organs, and even contribute to healthy hair and skin. Just like carbs, not all fats are created equal. We have unhealthy fats like saturated and trans fats found in processed foods and fried foods, which can raise bad cholesterol levels and increase the risk of heart disease. Then we have healthy fats, like monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish, which can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. The key here is to choose healthy fats over unhealthy ones. Limit your intake of processed foods, fried foods, and foods high in saturated and trans fats. Instead, opt for healthy fats found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish. Remember, a little bit of healthy fat goes a long way in keeping your body functioning optimally. Section 5: Striking the right balance. It's all about portions. So how do we put this all together? It's all about finding the right balance, the sweet spot where each nutrient plays its part without overpowering the others. This is where portion sizes come into play. Think of your plate as a pie chart. Aim to fill about half of it with fruits and vegetables, a quarter with lean protein, and another quarter with whole grains. And don't forget about healthy fats. Incorporate them into your meals and snacks in moderation. It's not about being perfect or following strict rules. It's about making gradual changes to your eating habits, incorporating more whole foods, and paying attention to portion sizes. It's about listening to your body and giving it the nutrients it needs to thrive. Section 6: Your plate, your power. Building a balanced diet. Mastering the balance of carbs, proteins, and fats is a journey, not a destination. It's about making conscious choices every day to fuel your body with the nutrients it needs to perform at its best. It's about understanding that food is not the enemy, but rather a powerful tool that can be used to enhance our health and well-being. So the next time you sit down to a meal, remember the food triangle, the importance of balance, and the power you have to make healthy choices. It's your plate, your power, and your health. Choose wisely, eat mindfully, and enjoy the journey to a healthier, happier you.